We're gonna sell it, it's got a lien on it. Apparently we're doing some fucking modifications to the good old Mach1. We got a beautiful piece of steel right here.
Oh, do you have a Sharpie? I gotta sign it.
Talk about a long shaft, brother.
Talk about a long fucking tube. Still got the condom on there, hold on.
Oh, Nelly. Look at all that. Someone lubed that thing up real nice.
Look at those splines.
It doesn't matter. 10 seconds later,
it's fucking fucked. Guys, when you're doing a drive shaft, before you put the car in the sky, make sure the e-brake's not on. That was... Yeah, it's Manny.
Guy over Wimpy Kid.
You gotta rep the Manny squad. He doesn't like he doesn't like the world right now. He doesn't like the whole police brutality thing and yeah, whatever.
Like a bad kid or something?
Manny?
Yeah.
No, Manny was just a fucking moron. I think he was just an idiot or something. Guys, I fucking destroyed a cat the other day. Those are guts right there on the lip. I don't know how the lip didn't come off. That's crazy. And then check this out. This is the good part. That's all guts. That's all guts.
You got a nice rack and pinion, bud.
So like I was driving and I saw a cat in the middle of the road and I was doing this thing, like going like this, side to side, and the cat fucking stopped and it was looking at me and it didn't know which way to go. And it just got hit, I don't know. The Marcus is Snapchat calling me, what the fuck? Who Snapchat calls? Hello? Yo, what's up?
Hey boy, you coming to play football or what?
No, I'm working on my car.
Oh, alright boy.
How about you tell John to call me? Then I might be a different answer.
You know what? Fuck you, cracker.
You just call you a blagga?
Yeah.
What's a blagga?
It's in between a black person and a cracker.
Makes sense.
I guess I'm both.
Makes sense.
The seals are fun. Ooh, we touched we knuckle touched.
We're gonna see.
What are you doing still here, old fart? Smells. You want some cat?
Yeah, that's alright. Dude, I just... Definitely feel. This is like an underage woman. And this is like a fat, overaged woman.
What? Alright. We gotta do something real quick. Is that how you spell menace? Oh fuck. 2020 because that's the year and that's our YouTube channel if you didn't figure that out. So beautiful. Alright, we're ready to drive. Stanky wanky.
I'm coming in tomorrow for an alignment at 3. Cause dude, I mean, I was going right here about 120 and it was just...
Stanky brought his car in. Trying to figure out a little issue on the 350.
We're gonna give this 350 the best strip we possibly can.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, we're gonna fucking send it. You guys better watch this.
We are professional technicians, so that's why we have our best guy driving the car. Don't even worry about it.
That's the sits.
Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, we're professional technicians. This thing's fucking blown up.
No, it was the fastest time.
It's like so squirrely. It feels like. You need an alignment for sure.
Oh yeah, I'm getting it done tomorrow.
For sure.
Closing up shop. Alright.
See you, buddy.
Drive safe. We just wanted to film something, and plus you guys haven't seen this car in a while. It's got new wheels. Last time you guys saw this car, we were putting in an X pipe with a loudmouth 1 SLP, so it's basically straight pipe. Since then, I got Borla Stinger mufflers, so it's not as loud, it's got more tone. Wheels, I've done a few things here and there. I did a Cobra front end swap. I know it's the 03 Cobra, it's the wrong bumper, but don't make fun of me, I couldn't find an 01. Eventually I'll get an 01. But I mean, it looks good for now. I hit a cat, so it's the whole car is really dirty right now. Don't even mind that.
That's pieces of the cat.
But yeah, we just did a drive shaft. They say 1/10 to 2/10 at the track off your trap. It's a higher trap speed, whatever. Who knows? They already had a one piece, as you saw when we were pulling it off. There is no limit one piece, I guess rotating mass. Who cares? But big plans for really all these cars. There already was big plans for that thing.
It kind of fell through.
Plans fell through, shit hit the fan. But big things for this, big things for the BMW, which you guys already saw. And I don't know. We'll try to get back on this grind, baby.
Get out of the shot. I'm taking a picture of the Mustang.
Oh, sorry. I guess if you like 5.0s, 3 valves, new edges, 4 valves, Mach 1s, or BMWs, go to subscribe to our channel.